Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to install the Netflix application for your Windows 10. It comes pre-installed in Windows 11 but not in Windows 10. So let's fix that, shall we? So what you're going to do in your Windows 10 computer, you're going to open Microsoft Store. So if it's not been here, you can just search for Microsoft Store right here. You see Microsoft Store and open that. So once your Microsoft Store is open, you're going to click on the search bar and type in Netflix. Search for that. It's taking a while because my internet is a bit slow, so yeah, you can see here Netflix is the first app right here. Just click on that, let it load, and click on get. So once the app is downloaded, it should take a while to download. So once it's downloaded and installed, you can go ahead, sign in, and your Netflix app is there. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. So if you have any other problems or any other questions, please put down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching.